This is the story of how medicine itself became a weapon of genocide, and how the very institutions meant to preserve life became laboratories of death. The morning mist clung to the barbed wire like ghostly fingers as Dr. Josef Mengele made his rounds through the camp, his polished boots clicking against the concrete with metronomic precision. Behind those steel-rimmed glasses lay eyes that saw human beings not as patients, but as specimens, living test subjects in experiments that would make the Marquis de Sade recoil in disgust. The children called him the Angel of Death, a nickname that captured the terrible irony of his presence. He came bearing the tools of medicine, yet delivered only suffering and mortality. In the cold, fluorescent light of the medical blocks, where the Hippocratic Oath had been perverted beyond recognition, Mengele and his colleagues conducted procedures that stripped away not only flesh and bone, but the very essence of human dignity itself. His laboratory notebooks, discovered decades later, revealed the methodical nature of his madness. Each entry written in precise scientific language that failed to acknowledge the humanity of his subjects, referring to children by numbers and symptoms rather than names and dreams. The Holocaust differs from other instances of mass murder in that it was medically sanctioned genocide, a systematic program that transformed the entire medical establishment into an instrument of death. This clinical observation reveals the most chilling aspect of Nazi medical experiments. They were not the aberrant actions of isolated madmen, but systematic programs endorsed by the highest levels of the medical establishment, universities, pharmaceutical companies, and government institutions. The experiments fell into several categories, each more horrifying than the last.